Hi everyone, welcome to Word Guide. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the layout menu in Microsoft Word. Understanding the layout menu will help you create well-structured and professional documents. Let's get started. First, let's locate the layout menu. You'll find it on the ribbon right here. The layout menu is packed with features to control the overall structure of your documents. Let's break down the main features one by one. First, we have the margin buttons. These buttons allows you to set the margin for your documents. You can choose from preset options like normal, narrow, or wide, or set custom margin. Let's try setting a custom margin. You can see the margin right here. Next, we have the orientation button. These buttons let you switch between portrait and landscape modes. Let's change our document to landscape orientation. Next, the size button. The size button allows you to choose the paper size for your documents. You can select standard sizes like letter A4 or create a custom size. Let's choose A4. Next up is the column buttons. These features lets you split your text into multiple columns, which is great for newsletter or brochures. Let's create 2 columns. The breaks buttons. The breaks button is very useful for managing the flow of your document. You can insert page breaks, section breaks, and more. Let's add section break. Then there are line numbers. The line numbers buttons lets you add lines numbers to your document, which can be helpful for referencing specific line in long documents. Let's add line numbers to our documents. Then there are hyphenation button. Hyphenation button controls how words are hyphenated at the end of lines. You can turn hyphenation on or off or set it to automatic. Let's turn on automatic hyphenation. Then finally, we have the paragraph setting button, which opens a dialog box. Finally, we have the paragraph setting buttons, which opens a dialog box with more advanced options for paragraph formatting, like spacing and indentation. Let's adjust the paragraph spacing. You can see the difference here, and there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the layout menu in Microsoft Word. By mastering this tool, you can create documents that are not only well structured but also visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Word Guide for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching and happy typing!